Good morning, everyone. Today I will present the effect of SMAW heat input variation on the microstructure and mechanical properties of SS400 low carbon steel by Ruspita Sihombing, Hasan Basri, Muhammad Ardi, and Suarto. I'm from Samarinda State Polytechnic, Kalimantan. Keyword heat input SMAW SS400 steel microstructure tensile strength yield strength. The study aims to analyze the effect of heat input variation in the scalded metal arc welding or SMAW process on the microstructure and mechanical properties of SS400 low carbon steel. The heat input variation used in this research were 1.24 kJ per mm, 1.84 kJ per mm, and 2.20 kJ per mm. The conducted test included microstructural analysis using metallography techniques and tensile testing to determine the relationship between welding parameters and material characteristics. The method used is an experimental method with a quantitative approach to analyze the effect of heat input variation in the scalded metal arc welding or SMAW process on the microstructure and mechanical properties of low carbon steel SS400. The results show that heat input variation significantly influences change in ferrite and pearlite phase with a 85% confidence level. At the lowest heat input of 1.24 kJ per mm, fine ferrite grains and uniformly distributed pearlite were formed, resulting in the highest mechanical performance with a tensile strength of 466.11 MPa and a yield strength of 345.89 MPa, increasing the heat input to 1.84 kJ per mm and 2.20 kJ per mm, causing grain coarsening and a reduction in pearlite fraction, which led to a decrease in tensile strength by approximately 0.08 to 0.10% and decline in yield strength by 16.7 to 41.38%. This condition caused the material to become softer and more susceptible to plastic deformation. Based on the findings, the optimal heat input to achieve the best strength for SS400 still using the SMAW process is 1.25 kJ per mm. Study provides important insight for optimizing welding parameters, improve the strength and reliability of welded joints in construction manufacture applications. Heat input plays a crucial role in determining the resulting microstructure and mechanical properties of the well. In fusion, heat input may lead to pure penetration and porosity, whereas excessive heat input can cause grain growth, deformation of understable base, and a deterioration in mechanical strength. Therefore, controlling heat input is essential for achieving an optimal balance between strength, toughness, and reliability in welded joints. Prevost researching find low carbon steel type SS400 is widely used in construction machinery and fabrication industries due to its good weldability, adequate tensile strength, and relatively low cost. Key et al. 2024. Methods. The research used an experimental method with a quantitative approach, testing heat input variation of 1.24 kg per mm, 1.84 kg per mm, and 2.20 kg per mm respectively. Equipment materials. The study used primary material in the form of SS400 low carbon steel plates, 8 mm thick, measuring 300 cross 100 mm. The welding process was carried out using 3.2 mm diameter A7018 electrodes and a 60° V groove joint. Welding was performed using an SMAW machine with a DC power source. And then figure welding specimen design. Procedure. The stage of the specimen preparation and welding process were conducted as follows. 1. Preparing all required tools and material, including SS400 steel plates. Wearing a provide personal protective equipment atau PPE according to safety procedures. Cutting the material to the predetermined dimension using a grinding machine. Creating a 30° bevel on one side of each specimen using a hand grinder, then verifying the bevel angle using a protector to ensure accuracy. Preparing the welding equipment and ensuring all tools were in proper condition and compliant with standard operating procedure or SOP requirements. And then performing the welding process using a 7018 electrodes with a diameter 3.2 mm, applying a 60° V groove butt joint and using 3 variation heat input 1.24 kg per mm, 1.84 kg per mm. A Pearson correlation analysis was conducted in SPSS to examine the relationship between heat input and microstructure composition, ferrite and pearlite percentage. Pearson correlation analysis show a Tensile test result and discuss. Table 7. Tensile test result of welded specimen. After welding with heat input of 1.24, 1.84 and 2.20 kg per mm, both tensile strength and yield strength change. At 1.24 kg per mm, both strength increase compared to the raw material, but at 1.84 and 2.20 kg per mm, they decrease significantly from the original frame. At the low heat input, 1.24 kg per mm, the tensile strength is higher because the faster pulling produces a finer and more balanced microstructure, which restrict dislocation movement and increase the material strength. Increasing the heat input 1.84 to 2.20 kg per mm caused a 10.17% drop in tensile strength and a 41.38% drop in yield strength due to slower cooling, which promotes recitalization, grain growth, softer ferrite formation, and a coarser WMNHA microstructure consistent with previous research findings. Conclusion. Based on the study of the effect of firing heat input in the SMAW process on the mechanical properties and microstructure of SS400 low carbon steel, it can be concluded that 1. Variation in heat input significantly affect the ferrite and pearlite phase percentage in SS400 steel. 2. Increasing heat input 1.24 to 2.20 kg per mm in large ferrite grains and reduce pearlite, weakening the material's mechanical strength. 3. A heat input of 1.24 kg per mm provides the highest strength, 466.11 impedance tensile strength and 345.88 89 MPa yield strength. 4. Heat inputs of 1.84 and 2.20 kg per mm reduce tensile and yield strength due to grain coarsening and decreased pearlite, making the material softer and manufacture plastic deformation. 5. The optimal heat input for achieving the best joint strength in SS400 low steel SMAW is 1.24 kg per mm. Referensi. Thank you.